In this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can make $100 per day on Etsy. Okay, I'm going to be showing you how you can use CJ Dropshipping so that you can start dropshipping on Etsy without Aliexpress. Now, a lot of people use Aliexpress to dropship on Etsy, and I don't think there is anything wrong with Aliexpress, but like a lot of people got banned using Aliexpress because a lot of items on Aliexpress are not handmade. Let's just say, for example, this product. A lot of new sellers, they don't know how Etsy works, and they list any item they can find on Aliexpress. For example, this is not handmade, and your account will get banned the moment you list this. Okay, now I'm gonna be showing you guys the best way to start making money on Etsy. I've been doing eBay dropshipping and Etsy dropshipping for like 3 years. Okay, so I know, guys, what I'm talking about. I'm gonna be explaining to you every single thing. So I just created a new account on CJ Dropshipping so that I can show you guys how this whole thing works. Now, the first thing you want to do, guys, you want to create a shop on Etsy. Okay, I'm just going to create a new shop. As you can see, you want to click on your profile and you want to click on sell. Now, after you click on sell, it will take you directly to this page. Okay, you want to complete these steps. If you don't have an account, I know, guys, a lot of you who are trying to do dropshipping on Etsy, they are already have some experience with Etsy selling. They have been selling on Etsy for like a long time, but it's really hard to not do what other people are doing. Like, most people are doing dropshipping, and there are a lot of you are competing with dropshippers, and you just have to do the same thing, because if you are selling handmade products, it will take you forever to make $100 per day. You can only make $60, and it depends, of course, it depends on how many items you are selling and if people are interested in your items. Now, I'm going to be showing, like I said, the best way to start Etsy dropshipping, and I'm going to show you guys the best thing about CJ is they can do everything for you. When someone places an order on your Etsy, you don't have to give the information like the address and stuff like that to CJ. The address, after I'm going to show you how you can connect your Etsy to CJ so that CJ will take care of everything. The only problem you have is to find winning products. It's not even a problem, it's an easy thing. You just want to find winning products so that you can list them on Etsy on CJ. Okay, I'm going to be showing you, don't worry, I'm going to be showing you how this whole thing works. Now, you want to create an account on CJ. You want to click on register and create an account on CJ. After you create an account on CJ Dropshipping, you want to click on authorization, as you can see, and then you want to click on Etsy. Now, next thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on add store. As you can see, this add store, and you just want to connect your Etsy to CJ. Now, it took me directly to this page, but for you, it will ask you to give access. Etsy will ask you to give access to CJ if you want to give access to it. It will ask you, do you want CJ to have information, blah 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 blah, and you want to scroll down, okay, and click on grant access. Now, after you click on grant access, then you are giving CJ access to your Etsy dropshipping, okay, to your Etsy store. That's what I mean. Now, after you do this, guys, you want to find products that you have to list on your CJ. For example, let's just go with scroll down, and yeah, this is the mistakes that a lot of new sellers make, is you don't know what to list. You don't know what products they have to list. Now, what I suggest, guys, you want to go to Etsy and search for what people are selling on Etsy. You can just list anything you can find on CJ, because there are a lot of things that are not handmade, for example, including this one or this one. A lot of items are not handmade. Okay, now, for example, you want to go to Etsy and search for your competitors, search for what people are selling. Okay, so for example, let's just say, for example, people are selling this one, okay, on Etsy. This is on Etsy. Now, you want to go to Etsy and copy the exact same thing and search for it on CJ. Okay, now, after you search for that on CJ, you will find a lot of products that you can list on your Etsy store. Okay, I'm going to be showing you how you can list products. It's easy and quick. Now, I'm going to find another product, for example, bags. Okay, now we want to find a bag, for example, for women. Search for bag for women and go to CJ and then search for bag for women. Now, you want to find, for example, I'm just going to, for example, bags. And we can search for bags here. As you can see, this bag, for example, it looks like it's handmade. This one, again, click on it, and what you need to do, guys, next is you want to list this exact item on your Etsy store. It's actually easy to list items from CJ, to your store. Because we already connected our Etsy store, we can easily list items by clicking on list. Now after guys you click on list, you need to do one thing, which is to add tags in the top. Just add, for example, bags, and click on this plus. And here, this is how much money the total dropshipping cost that Etsy will charge. So if someone places an order on your Etsy store, CJ will take $20 of the price. Now you have to increase the price, for example, for 2019, okay, or $20 or $30. As you can see, I'm going to go with $30 because people are interested to see the zero in the last, like the last. Because you know, you just have to trick the people to feel like the item is cheaper, like for example 20.99, like something like that. That's what most people do. Like just like people are more going, like more like they are more interested to buy something that has zero in the last, like in the last part. Sorry, my English is not that good. Or the 9 in the end, okay, in the end of the price. Now you want to add here 30 and 30. You just want to increase the price a little bit. For example, this one is cheaper, so I'm just going to go to $20. Now after you complete all these things, you can then list the product. It's easy to list the product from CJ. You want to click on list it now, and the product will be listed. As you can see, it says here, please wait as this may take a few minutes. And as you can see, listed successfully. Now the product is listed on our store. Okay, now you can then go to your store and you can check the products that you have on your Etsy store. As you can see, we have listed this product, and now we want to wait for the product to get a sale. So that's it, we want to wait for the product. Now I made the second part, like my friend made the second part of this. What you want to do, guys, you want to drop a like on this video, and you want to watch the second part of this, so that you can make, like, you can learn every single thing, because I don't want to show you guys everything. This will be confusing to you. I just want to show you the basic part, and then I'm going to show you guys, like my friend will show you the second part of this, okay? And then you can start your business. Drop a like on this video and watch the video on the screen, and you will be able to start this business. See you guys next video.